Let me ask you a question. If someone walked into your shop this afternoon, sat across from you in your office and said, I'd like to buy your business, would you know what it's worth? Not what you hope it's worth and not what you need it to be worth for retirement, what it's actually worth. And most shop owners don't know, they just say $1 million. And honestly, that's understandable because nobody teaches us to think that way. We're taught how to increase sales, improve ARO, hire technicians, and boost productivity. Those things matter, but very few people ever ask a more important question. Is everything I'm doing actually making my business more valuable? That's a completely different conversation. It's also the conversation we're changing at AutoFix-Auto Shop Coaching with our new Apex program. We're introducing something we call coaching to valuation because we believe every coaching decision should increase the value of your business. Whether you sell your shop someday or hand it to the next generation, building value gives you options, security, and freedom. And today I want to explain why this philosophy is changing the way we coach and why I think it changes the way every shop owner should think about leadership. For years, coaching in our industry has focused on monthly performance, more sales, better margins, higher AROs, stronger KPIs. Those things absolutely matter, but they're really outcomes. The bigger question is whether you're building a business that's becoming more valuable every year. And that's the philosophy behind coaching to valuation. And today, I'm going to explain why I believe it should become the foundation of how every shop owner leads their businesses. So, one of the first questions I ask a new coaching client is, what do you think your business is worth? Most owners either don't know or they answer with a number based on emotion. They'll tell me they've been in business for 30 years, they have loyal customers, a great reputation, or an incredible team. Those are all wonderful things, but buyers don't write checks based on emotion. They write checks based on predictable financial performance, documented systems, transferable leadership, and sustainable growth. And that's why I think we need to change how owners think about their businesses. Too many people spend their entire career building a paycheck. And there's nothing wrong with making a great living, but income and enterprise value aren't the same thing. A business can generate an excellent income for its owner while still being difficult or even impossible to sell because everything depends on that owner. So whether you plan to sell next year, 20 years from now, or never, your goal should be to increase the value of your business every year. A more valuable business is almost always a healthier business. It has stronger leadership, better financials, more consistent processes, and a team that can succeed without constant owner involvement. And that's what we're really trying to build, I think.
As a shop owner, you take pride in every detail of your shop. That means every repair, every customer, and every experience your customers have with you. So why would you settle for cookie cutter marketing that makes your shop look, well, like every other auto repair shop in your town? At Shop Marketing Pros, we offer top tier marketing for top tier shops. That means digital ads, search engine optimization, social media marketing, and custom websites built around your shop. Marketing that showcases your brand, your voice, and your goals. No templates, no shortcuts, no generic same old marketing. Because when your marketing reflects the quality your shop puts out every day, your customers can feel it, and your car count, revenue, and ARO grow because of it. You've already built a top-tier shop. Now it's time to grow it with the top-tier marketing it deserves. Book your discovery call today at shopmarketingpros.com to get started.
At AutoFix-Auto Shop Coaching, we're changing the way we onboard clients because we want to begin with a destination in mind instead of just a list of improvements. Every new coaching relationship will start with a business valuation, not because we're trying to prepare you to sell tomorrow, but because valuation tells us where your business is strong and where it's vulnerable. It's like getting an MRI before surgery. You don't begin making changes until you understand exactly what's happening beneath the surface. We're going to evaluate your financial performance, operational systems, leadership structure, customer mix, workflow management team, and the risk that could reduce the value of your business. And then we combine that with everything we learned during our discovery process. And then the result isn't a generic coaching plan. It's not a cookie cutter system. It's a customized roadmap designed specifically to increase the value of your company over time. And that changes everything. Instead of chasing random KPIs because somebody said so, every improvement has a purpose. Every coaching conversation answers the same question. Will this make your business more valuable? All right. So I think this is bigger than KPIs. And if you know me, you know that KPIs rule my world. So this is the part that excites me the most because I believe it represents a shift in how coaching should be delivered. Most coaching companies market outcomes like higher sales, better profits, improved accountability, or stronger KPIs. Again, those are all important, but they're really byproducts of something bigger. Our philosophy is different. Every coaching decision should increase the value of your business. Think about how that changes the conversation. We're not improving ARO just to improve ARO. We're improving profitability because stronger earnings increase enterprise value. We're not documenting processes just to make life easier. We're reducing owner dependency because businesses that run without the owner are worth more. We're not building managers simply to delegate work. We're creating leadership depth because buyers and, frankly, owners place tremendous value on businesses that can thrive without one person carrying the entire load. When you begin viewing every KPI through the lens of valuation, the priorities become much clearer. You're no longer chasing numbers for the sake of numbers. You're building an asset that becomes stronger, healthier, and more valuable every year. This episode is brought to you by our friends at Shop Marketing Pros. One of the things buyers consistently look for when evaluating a business is predictable growth. They don't just want to know how many cars came through the door last month. They want confidence that the business has a reliable system for attracting new customers year after year. That's where Shop Marketing Pros becomes part of your valuation story. They specialize exclusively in independent auto repair shops, helping owners build professional websites, improve search rankings, manage Google Ads, strengthen their brand, and create marketing systems that consistently generate new business. So I want you to think about it this way. A shop that's dependent on word of mouth alone is riskier than a shop with a proven marketing engine. Predictable customer acquisition increases stability, and stability increases business value. If you're serious about building a business that's worth more tomorrow than it is today, I want you to go visit Shop Marketing Pros. They don't just help you grow your revenue, they help you build a stronger business for the long haul. So, all of what we're talking about starts with financial clarity. Whenever I talk about valuation, some owners immediately get uncomfortable because they assume they'll be judged if their financials aren't perfect. That's not what this is about. In order to understand the value of your business, we need two foundational documents: your income statement and your balance sheet. Those reports tell the financial story of your company, and without them, everything's a guess. So if you're thinking, Chris, I don't even know if my financial statements are accurate, don't worry, you're not alone. Many successful shop owners have never been taught how to read financial statements or work closely with their accountant. That's okay. If you don't have clean financials, we're going to help you. We'll work alongside you and your accounting professional to get everything organized, because leadership begins with clarity, and clarity begins with good information. And once we understand where the business stands financially, we can build a roadmap that makes sense. Okay. So at the end of the day, coaching to valuation isn't really about selling businesses. It's about creating freedom. A valuable business gives you options, and I want you to have so many options. It's unbelievable. It allows you to step away for a vacation without everything falling apart. It gives you flexibility if your health changes or your family situation changes. It gives you leverage if someone unexpectedly wants to buy your company. And if you never sell, you've still built a stronger business for your employees, your customers, and yourself. And that's why I believe this philosophy is so important. We're not coaching you to have a better month. We're coaching you to build a better company, because better companies naturally produce better months. All right. This week, I want you to ask 3 questions. If someone offered to buy my business today, would I know what it's worth, what it's really worth? Could I produce an accurate income statement and balance sheet this week? What am I doing right now that increases the long-term value of my business, not just this month's sales? Those answers may tell you more about your future than any KPI on your dashboard. All right. Your shop is more than the building you work in. It's more than your equipment. It's more than this month's sales. It's an asset. And every decision you make either increases its value or decreases it. At AutoFix-Auto Shop Coaching, we're excited to introduce coaching to valuation, because we believe that's the right way to coach. Not by chasing numbers for the next 30 days, but by helping owners build businesses that become more valuable every single year. Because whether you sell your shop someday or never plan to leave, building enterprise value creates longer businesses, better leadership, more opportunities, and greater freedom. And I want you to remember this: don't spend your career simply building a paycheck. Build a business that's worth owning and worth buying. Thanks for joining me for another episode of the Weekly Blitz. Have a great day, everybody. Rise and grind. Keep your mindset positive. Thank you.